Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete liked videos on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok. Now click on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then go to liked option. Here you can see the videos that you had previously liked. Click on the video that you want to remove. Now just unlike the video by tapping on the heart button. Here you can see that the video has been removed. And that is how you can delete liked videos on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.